Welcome to our programming channel. Today in C programming we are going to see strlen function or stringlen function. The strlen function calculates the length of a given string or calculates number of characters present in a given string. String is group of characters or string contains characters, and calculation of those characters or counting of those characters means calculation of string length. The strlen function doesn't count null character in the given string, null character which is \0. So every string has null character at the end. But while calculating the characters, the stringlen function doesn't consider this null character and doesn't calculate this null character. Syntax of the strlen function is int strlen in bracket string. So this part is parameter which is a string. This is the string whose length is to be found. So we have to pass variable name of the string or string name as a parameter or argument. And strlen function calculates the length of this string and here return a value. And the return value is integer value. Strlen function returns the length of the string. This length returned by strlen function is in integer type. So length returned by strlen function is integer type, or it is an integer number, so here int. The strlen function is defined in string.h header files. So first we include header files. Hash include stdio.h as strlen function is defined in string.h header file. So we include string.h header file. Main function integer variable length because we will get the string length in number format. We are taking string, so we have taken character array str1 with size 30 or having size 30. Display message for the user with printf function enter any string. GetS str1. We have used getS function because it reads string with spaces. So instead of scanf, we have used getS function. Now we are using strlen function. So here strlen function and in bracket variable name of the string or the string name or character array name. This strlen function or stringlen function calculates the length of this entered string and return the length or the value which is in integer format. So we store this length or integer value in this len variable. Printf your string %s has length is equal to %d, and here str1 and len. And if we build and if we run the program, good day, enter any string good day, and here your string good day has length is equal to 8. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but at the end here string have null character also, but this strlen function does not consider null character, so we get the length 8. And if again enter any string welcome, your string welcome has length is equal to 7. Strlen function or stringlen function does not consider null character in the string. So to see that, we take another string str2 having size 30, and here we have taken character array str2 and these are the characters, and here we have taken the characters of welcome, and here we have taken null characters, so there are total 8 characters. So we take another integer variable len2. Len2 is equal to strlen in bracket str2, and here copy this printf statement and paste here, and here second string, your second string %s has length is equal to %d, and here str2 and len2, and if we build and run the program, enter any string welcome. So here enter any string welcome, enter any string welcome. Your string welcome has length is equal to 7. Your second string welcome has length is equal to 7. So even though here we can see 8 characters including this null character, but strlen function or stringlen function does not consider this null character while calculating the length of the string. So that's all for strlen function or stringlen function in C programming. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.